What are IRQ and DMA in Windows operating systems? Imagine your computer as a busy city where many devices need to talk to the main office, which is the central processing unit. To keep everything running smoothly, the system uses special signals and pathways. Two key players in this process are interrupt request signals and direct memory access channels. Understanding how they work helps you see how your computer manages multiple devices without chaos. Interrupt request signals, or IRQs, are like phone calls from devices to the CPU. When a device needs attention, it sends an IRQ to alert the processor. For example, when you press a key on your keyboard, it sends an IRQ to tell the CPU to process that input. Each device gets its own unique IRQ number, kind of like a phone extension, so the CPU knows who is calling. If two devices try to use the same IRQ, it can cause conflicts, leading to hardware issues or system errors. Windows manages IRQ assignments automatically using plug-and-play technology, but you can see and change these settings in Device Manager if needed. Now, direct memory access, or DMA, is a way for devices to transfer data directly to the computer's memory without bothering the CPU for every little bit. Think of it as a courier delivering packages straight to the warehouse, freeing up the main office to handle other tasks. Devices like hard drives, sound cards, and network adapters often use DMA because they need to move large amounts of data quickly. Each device that uses DMA is assigned a DMA channel, which is a dedicated lane for data transfer. If two devices try to use the same DMA channel, conflicts can happen, causing data transfer errors or slowdowns. In Windows, both IRQs and DMA channels are usually assigned automatically by the system and BIOS. You can see which devices are using which IRQs and DMA channels in Device Manager. This helps troubleshoot hardware conflicts or performance issues. For most users, these settings don't need manual adjustments, but knowing about them can be useful if you're working with older hardware or custom setups. Practically speaking, IRQ and DMA are behind the scenes making sure your printer, sound card, or network device works smoothly and data moves fast. When you understand how they function, you get a clearer picture of how Windows keeps your hardware running efficiently. Whether you're managing hardware or just curious about how your computer handles multiple devices, knowing about IRQs and DMA channels makes you a more informed user.